Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Buff Bay, or driving into Buff Bay, and we are looking at the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway. We are driving on the section from Harborview to Bull Bay, and along this stretch of the highway, the highway is going to run along the existing road. So if you'll notice work being done to the left and on the right of the road that we're on, that's because the highway is going to be 4 lanes and it's going to run along the existing road. The existing road was 2 lanes, so they're going to fix the existing 2 lanes, bring it up to a highway quality road and build 2 additional lanes. Sometimes, like where we are now, additional lanes will be built to the right, sometimes it will be built to the left. So the Southern Coastal Highway is a project to build a highway from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. It's supposed to run through St. Andrew, St. Thomas, and Portland. It is going to run through those parishes. And it's under construction, and this is the largest road project that the government of Jamaica has on the way right now. So we're taking a tour to see how far they have reached with the construction. So between Harborview and Buff Bay, it's going to be 4 lanes running along the existing roadway, and then from Buff Bay to the Sunshine Coast area, it's going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway, but that road will be a new road built through the hills. So it doesn't run along the existing roadway. And then from the Sun Coast area to Yalos, it's going to run along the existing road in some places, and in some places a new road will be built. And then it's being built in phases. So you have one phase from Harborview to the Yalos Bridge, and then another phase from Yalos to another section, and then they build it out in sections until it reaches Port Antonio. So there you can see them working on the roadway on the right. Now, this is a very expensive highway. I think it's estimated to cost $120 billion. And it's being built by China Harbour Engineering Company. And they are the ones that build all the major highways in Jamaica now. Okay, now this is very peculiar. You notice the roadway on the right, they have dug it out, but it stops right here. And then behind this, where the road stops, is the police station. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. And then as you pass the police station, there you go. The road is dug out again, everything removed, because that's where the highway is going to go. This building is still here, but it's going to be removed. So I'm wondering if they're going to build a new police station and they're just waiting for it to finish, or will they leave the existing police station and the road just becomes 2 lanes at that point and then goes back to 4 lanes. I'm not sure. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. And there you can see they've built a bridge on the other side for the additional 2 lanes of the highway. And as you can see, a lot of structures were removed to build this highway. A lot of structures. Alright, so straight ahead on the right now is a new bridge that was built, because at this point in Bull Bay, the highway will now turn right and go over the hill, and that's a new road that was built to facilitate the highway running through the hills. we seem to be doing some construction on the road, so I don't know if we should go over there. We're not going to go over there. They seem to be doing some work on it. So now this section of the road will remain the same. The highway will turn right there and go over that new road all the way to the Suncoast Adventure Park area. So this will be the existing road. There will be no changes to this structure. Now look on the left and the right. Okay, look on the right because that seems to be more of where they build the highway. You see all these structures here. This is how the roadway stayed, or the roadway was, between Harborview and Bull Bay. So a lot of the structures on the right had to be removed to facilitate the building of the highway. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.